Good morning, Hornets. It's a terrific Tuesday here at VCHS. We're your host, Mason.
And I'm Emerson, so let's kick off today's lunch. Today we have mini breakfast bites, scrambled eggs, tri-taters, juice blend, orange, and a cold milk. And that sounds like a very, very delicious breakfast.
Why don't we take a look at today's holidays? Today is National Spicy Guacamole Day, World Diabetes Day, Operating Room Nurse Day, Loosen Up, Lighten Up Day.
Let's take a quick glance at your top 5 news stories of the day with Macy.
I'm Macy, and here are your top 5 news stories for today. Number 1. Airbnb nightmare tenant leaves Los Angeles home after 600 days. Number 2. Sharks surprise Illinois zookeepers by reproducing without a male. 3. High school student scores touchdown just days after being medically cleared to play after a liver transplant. Number 4. Over 40 drivers are ticketed in Reno County for driving in fog without headlights. In number 5. Pizza Hut selling snake pizza in Hong Kong.
Next, here's Tuesday's Word of the Day.
This week's word of the week is insidious. Proceeding in a gradual, subtle way, but with harmful effects.
Want a bowl? Listen up. Here's a bowling tryout announcement.
Won a bowl for VC tryouts last week of November. The season is from January to February. The meeting is on the 17th during advisory at 7:40 in the Aux Gym.
Next, here's Titus's Student Spotlight.
All right, so my name's Titus Hoggett. When I get out of high school, I'm going to become a lawyer. I'm going to go to KU School of Law. Really looking forward to that. And, some activities that I do, I like to play some horse hockey. In my free time, I go skating at the Y. So, some things I do, I do some track, right? I wrestle, Last year, didn't get to do that because, someone decided to break my foot. I play football, and, I also throw some discus. Try out for the track team, you know what I'm saying? And also, some things I do, I like to unlock locks in my free time, and I like to rob some banks.
What's your favorite song? Let's see what some students have to say.
I'm here with
Grant.
What's the song of the day?
Let It All Work Out by Lil Wayne.
Thank you. I'm here with
Ryder Tucker.
What's your favorite song? Let me get a sample. Alright. I'm here with
Leticia Flores.
What's the song of the day?
Oh, crap. Right My Wrongs, Bryson Tiller.
There you go. Thank you. I'm here with
Peyton Sobbing.
What's the song of the day?
Song of the day is Turks and Caicos by Rod Wave.
Thank you. I'm here with
Connor.
What's the song of the day?
Stay by Rihanna.
Thank you.
1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks.
Any last words?
Today we're asking Hornets what would be their last words.
My name is Allison Kowalski, and the last words I would say before I die would be, make me look pretty in my casket.
My name is David, and my last words would be, love everyone.
I love you, Mama. My name's Octavian. My last words come from a very wise man. His name is Brian Shelley. He said, never pet a dog that's on fire.
My name is Malachi Fample, and my last words would probably be like, am I allowed to cuss or no? Oh shoot, probably.
Haven Mays, and I robbed a bank.
Jalen Morris, my last words would be goodbye.
Here's a vaping PSA that will help you stop smoking.
There's an epidemic spreading. Scientists say it can change your brain. It can release dangerous chemicals like formaldehyde into your bloodstream. It can expose your lungs to acrolein, which can cause irreversible damage. It's not a parasite, not a virus, not an infection. It's vaping.
Let's tune in into Tuesday's Tunes.
And here's Kayla with today's weather.
Today's high is 66 degrees and today's low is 43 degrees.
Now for a quick blast to the past. Let's wrap up with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.
November 14th, 1940. One of the most devastating bombing raids during World War II. Hundreds of Nazi Germany's warplanes destroy most of the English town of Coventry. 1851. Herman Melville's novel Moby Dick, the tale about the pursuit of the great white whale, is published. 1889. Inspired by author Jules Verne, Nellie Bly sets out to travel around the world in less than 80 days. Bly, a reporter for the New York World, succeeds, making the trip in 72 days. 1943.
Leonard Bernstein has come out on the platform and will presently lead the Philharmonic Symphony in our national anthem.
Leonard Bernstein makes his conducting debut with the New York Philharmonic. The 25-year-old assistant conductor fills in for the ailing Bruno Walter during a nationally broadcast concert. And 1900. Aaron Copland, one of America's leading composers of the 20th century, is born in New York City. Today in history, November 14th. Camille Bohannon, The Associated Press.